show sponsored by Numberblocks.
Numberblocks.
Yay! Hi everyone, welcome back to my show. Today we have new Numberblocks toys and I want to show you. So first we have this one. It looks really cool, right Aiden?
Yeah, I like it to do.
Yeah, and Aiden's pointing at the back.
And you have to do your hand.
And we have this one. It's a puzzle solve. And next we have this one. It is Cube's activity set, Numberblocks sheep farm. Okay. And last but not least, we have this one. This one is called MathLink cubes. Let's start opening them. So first, let's put these aside. And first thing first, we're gonna open this one. All right, we already opened them up. And this is 1 to 5 sensory bottles.
Cool, so this one says that you combine number fun and sensory play. So you can shake it, swirl it, stack it, and explore. So let's get started. Let's see what you guys think.
Okay, Aiden, tell us what this number is.
1.
Yeah! What's the next one?
What number is this?
2.
Good. What number is this?
1.
No.
2.
Help them.
3.
3.
Yeah! What's
What
the next one?
number is this?
4.
Good.
Perfect.
Oh, wait. What number is this?
5.
Yeah!
Now,
What's the colors?
what color is this?
Red.
Uh-huh.
Good. Is this one?
Orange.
Good.
Uh-huh.
What color is this one?
Red.
No.
Yellow.
Yeah!
Okay, what color is this?
Green.
It's cool. What color is this?
Blue.
Good job.
These are really
Aiden.
cool. Let me get close up. What are they? They're like...
They like have like fun fidgets inside. That was my favorite
They
one.
like move. Look.
I know, it's so cool.
Cool.
It's a lava.
It has water inside?
Yeah, they all have water.
That's so cool.
My
Look at this
favorite one.
one. Look at this one.
That's
Oh.
Wait. Oh, they had the balloons. Only this one and this one I know. Oh, I thought that one had like 2 balloons, kinda.
Oh, look at it. It has like glitter inside.
Yeah.
2.
My favorite ones are the number 3 and the number 4. These are my favorite ones.
This is so cool.
This one has like balls, not glitter.
Oh, look. They even have the numbers on the side.
Yeah.
1,
Oh.
2.
Ooh, look at the numbers.
Look at this one. 1, 2, 3.
Look at Daddy with the wheel.
Oh, that's so cool. Look at it. What's making it go? The bubbles?
Yeah, pretty sure.
It's the wheel.
Oh, let's try. This
And how many numbers is that one?
It is
2.
Close. Help them out.
3.
3.
Good. And Aiden is 3 years old.
Yay! All right, let's check out the other ones.
Okay, let's put these right here. And we opened the puzzle solver. This game looks really fun. Aiden, you ready to open it?
Yeah.
So this one is the puzzle solver. It comes with 50 puzzles with 4 levels of play. Let's open it up and see what it looks like.
Okay. Okay, we have instructions.
That's all. That's all.
So that one, we're gonna go ahead and try level 1
Okay.
and then look inside. What's in there? So it comes with 50 templates, just different kinds of templates.
Look, you have to do this.
We sure are. It comes with the instruction book.
Look.
Let's set this aside. So we figure out where to put the templates, and they go right here. And then we put them in. And then we are putting this on top of it like this.
Cool. So what do we do with the first piece?
So we put the first piece on the cube like that. Like so. There. And we have to figure out like a whole puzzle.
Let's do it. Come on.
Yeah. Let's start, Aiden. Okay, I think this So how about let's put this one first. Then connects right there. And this one, let's do that. Like right here. Oh no! Like that. And then
this goes here.
hey, this is like a cheering one.
Perfect, Aiden.
That's a good one, Aiden. And the number 2. Yeah, good. I was gonna put that there.
Oh, that was perfect. Good
Yeah.
job.
Okay, let's put that right there.
Ooh,
This here.
And then the number 1
Goes
right
here.
here.
perfect. I'm gonna put the long one right there.
And number 5 goes right here.
And this goes here.
Well, no. No, Aiden. Like this.
Yeah. And that goes
Or,
here.
and that goes here. And then we figured it out.
What? That was so
That
fast.
goes here. And
Let's show everyone.
That is a cool game, and there's a whole bunch in there you could play with.
Yeah.
So I thought this game was pretty cool. What do you think?
It was really fun and really
It
confusing.
was challenging, huh?
Yeah, challenging.
What about you, Aiden? It was fun?
Yeah.
All right, that was so
Let's
cool.
see what they got. Time.
All right, let's try the next one.
Okay.
And this one.
Oh,
Ooh.
that looks really fun. Okay, so we open this up and what is
Oh, it
it?
has sheep.
Oh, look at Numberblocks. Okay, let's try to. I'm gonna open this bag.
What is this? Oh, they're like little blocks with shapes in them.
It has no eyes.
Wait, look. What are these? A dice? Is this another game?
Oh yeah. I forgot.
Okay, so the numbers go all the way up to 6. And we have a dice. And what's this?
All right, so let's read the instructions. We'll be right back.
Yeah, we finished putting this together and the clue was stickers.
Stickers. What do we do with the stickers?
And we put it on the faces. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Cool.
And these are really cool. I don't know what these are called. And you can put these on.
Number marker?
Yeah,
Cool.
you can put these on or off.
So the way this thing works is Numberblocks has a show. You can watch the show on YouTube and then you can play along with this.
Or Netflix.
Or Netflix. Perfect. So now with this, we're gonna go ahead and do some of the cards. We're not gonna play along with the show, but for the kids that do, and we're gonna do it later and we're gonna have fun with it, but this is really, really cool. But the whole thing with this is it's all about grouping. So our first challenge, I'm gonna challenge you, is I need 3 groups of 2.
3 groups of 2. Okay, then let's get started. Okay, so 3 groups of 2. So what does that mean? 3 groups of 2. So 3 groups and we put 2 sheeps. Okay, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and then 5, 6. Perfect. We did it.
Put them in groups. There you go. Can you count them for me?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Woohoo! You did
So
it!
2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6.
That's great!
Let's put this in the middle.
Number 6. There he is. All right, let's try one more of the cards. Ooh, here's a tricky one. Okay. This one is 3 plus blank equals 6.
3 plus blank equals 6.
So let's put 3. Let's
So-
get 3 in there.
3, okay. Take away 4. So we have 3
Okay.
plus blank
what?
equals 6. So let's try all different ways. So let's do this one. Will this give us 6?
Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Okay, let's see this one. Will this give us 6?
Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes! So 3 plus 3 equals 6.
Woo! We got it, Aiden!
Yeah. Did you got it? Yeah!
All right, cool. So this one, I think this is really awesome. We're gonna go ahead and watch it with the show. And then we have one last one to open.
Yay!
Let's see, which one is it?
That looks
Whoa, MathLink's cubes.
See the front. Building this took us a little bit of a long time. And it includes the stickers too. And I like 0 and the rainbow one.
So we have 0.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So
And 0 doesn't have stickers because it's not a cube, it's just that.
0 is the beginning of all time.
Yep. And not a number.
So this set does come with lots of blocks. And it's basically so you can follow along with the show and do a bunch of activities. So for example, it has like these templates
Cool.
right here. So now each show basically highlights each one of these templates and you can play along. So for this one, for example, this is to teach them 1s and 2s. Aiden, can you count 1?
1,
What about 2?
2,
Okay, let's give me block number 1 and what? So give me 2 block number 1s.
Okay. 2 block number. Okay, block number 1.
Another one here, I believe. There you go. And 1 block number 2.
1 block number 2.
Okay, so this is basically just teaching you the basics of math. So what is 1? Okay, and then that is 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
How else can you make 2?
1 plus 1.
Okay, and let's put it in the other square. 1 plus 1 equals
2. So basically when the 1 stacks together with another 1, it'll actually come up here to the number that they want.
That is so cool.
Great.
Numberblocks.
Numberblocks.
Numberblock.
Bye. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe. Bye. Numberblocks.
Numberblocks.
Numberblocks. Numberblocks.